Happy Sunday. Dito ako ngayon. Grabe ang init. Ayan. Dito ako sa Malia Bridge. Ayan. Saka ayan, inaayos ko yung lupa na yun. Baka may gagawin dyan na building bago. Ito yung suot ko. Init. Ano muna ko ng tubig. Yung aking thermos ay nilagyan ko ng ice. Wala na. Grabe. Nawala na yung ice. Nag-melt. Melted na yung ice. Kaya oh. Ito yung tinadala ko. Nilalagyan ko ng ice.
Nag-interest pa ng 500. Dito muna ako mag-exit. Yun guys, oh, yung bridge. Papaayos ko lang yung kwintas ko kay naputol yung kwintas. Kailang beses na ako padugtong-dugtong ng aking kwintas, laging mahila. Mga tinda ng mga India. Guys. Saan nga pala yung suki ko? Parang sa kabila dito ata. Lagyan dito yung suki ko. Salam suki!
Salam.
Lakda. Oh my gosh. Maybe I come here 4 times.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
I don't know, just only accident this one, just so this one. Make to combine only.
आप खोलिए लो आटी अभी गई है
So I put the needle. No, not the needle. What is the name that?
लो
Yeah, I make it like this for the kayat.
खोल पे लो
Yeah, make. So then when I sew, when I remove my blouse, pull down. 4 times I come here doing again.
कैसे
अपना नहीं करना है, अपना करने के लिए कहीं तो कितना मालूम है तो
Ito guys, oh, yung necklace ko nahulog. Ayan, ito yung kanyang pendant, Chanel. Ayan guys.
अच्छा हाथ से ऐसा करेगा तुझे
घूम कर है उसके पास ले जाता है क्या
Papaayos ko lang. Kainit mo na eh.
Original is this one gold, huh?
Yeah.
But this very
I come here doing the
joint, but this one मुंह के ऊपर से रख कह देते उस
This one. Chop. इधर करा चल 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 This one.
yeah, yeah.
But the chain will become small.
Coming small, huh? And
the-
put the other
no
Like lock.
together.
No. It's going to be a fire.
yeah, fire only, huh?
You cannot put the lock on.
Seem like the doing the
Joint,
join.
yeah. So
Like-
this fire, this one problem.
एक second.
Yeah.
एक second.
You know, 4 times I come here doing again. How much? Every 2 years. Really?
Oh, yeah.
I come here.
To change this one, change. Put another one. Take
Inshallah.
this one here, remove another one. You give you this one gold shop,
Inshallah.
then take this one another one.
Yeah.
This problem.
Yeah, very long time this old. Just only make machine, huh? To join.
Not machine. Fire.
Huh?
Fire.
Fire.
But this will eat your gold, okay? It will eat your gold. It won't be like so soft. It's going to be hard over that place.
Like this.
Yeah.
Then
That's
put the
it.
fire.
But the fire, and here this will be like this here.
Seem like the magnet, like you doing the electric.
Shouldering.
Yeah,
shouldering. Same.
yeah, I know that.
Same like that. So this will-
Because you cannot doing like this.
this
Cannot,
might
huh?
eat more. This might eat more. We cannot
Yeah,
say.
cannot,
The chain might be small.
Mm.
It can eat this much also. This much.
Huh?
So the chain will be small. Understand what I'm trying to say?
No. Just only make.
I understand what you're saying, but
Yeah, just only make.
it
join.
can't be too much. So you need to add extra. The cost around 2 kg, 2.5 kg.
How much?
2 kg, 2.5 kg.
Before I always pay 2 KD.
I know that. Now the goal is up, so we can do 2.5 kg because it's going to eat more.
I'll okay next time. Because I
Yes, sorry.
travel next week.
चली दे दो
Going
उसको
travel.
Put here.
Do one thing, let us swap the chain with the gold.
Okay, no need I buy the new one.
Yeah,
That's
you
what
want
I'm
bigger.
saying. Buy new one, but
This
don't
one.
buy this chain.
Mm.
Buy the rock chain or disco chain. This chain is very, very delicate. You cannot, like,
Yeah, 4 times I doing here,
if
come.
you do 4 times or 5 times, it's the same because the other side also is broken.
That's okay, I buy the new one. Okay,
You buy new one the best.
sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, Baba.
Okay. Most welcome again.
Yeah, I always come
Yeah,
here,
yeah,
you know.
Yeah.
I'm from the Salmiya Souk and come back. Come
Okay,
here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Ang bait nila no magturo sila. Hindi po sila nag-interest sa pera na para lang idugtong yung kadina-kadina ng necklace. So, hindi ko na kailangan siyang padugtong muna. Saka na lang bibili na lang ng bago. Hindi naman kasi ako manilig sa gold. Ano lang yun, bumili ako ng 18 carats. 2016 pa yun. At yung suot-suot ko lang na para lang siyang mayroon ako sinusuot na passion sa sarili ko. Inuuna ko kasi yung goal ko. Bahay, na
Tapos, pag-aaral ng mga anak. Mga goal ko, wala yan sa akin guys. Dito ko ngayon sa Giordano. Kainit-init ba? Dito malamig. Hinahanap ko dito sa bag ko. Guys, nagbaon ako ng blouse kasi sobrang init. Tuwing mag-day off ako, nagabaon ako ng aking extra t-shirt. Sa sobrang init. Ay, may mga binta, may bago pa lang. Mediacom. Ito yung new shop na to guys. Oh, punta kayo dito, oh. Yan yung mga ano nila. I-tour ko muna kayo dito. Ayan. Oh, Glota. Mga collagen. Ayan, galing Pilipinas naman kasi ito. Mampa Beauty. Dito lahat. Mediacom, oh. Product ng Philippines. Nandito na lahat. Oh. Ayan. Uy, ang ganda, oh. Akala mo washing machine. 25 KD. Speaker pala. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Dami dito, guys. Oh, punta kayo dito sa Mediacom na shop. Bagong shop. Oh, bago pa lang, oh. Nag-a-arrange pa lang sila. Ito, mayroon na ako nito. Yan, mayroon ako nito, guys. Nakabili na rin din ako nito. Ito yung gamit ko, guys. Galing product lahat ng mga Pilipino to, guys, oh. Yan. Punta na kayo dito sa Mediacom. Oh, di ba? Naturo ko na kayo. So, see you next my video, guys. Ito, guys, oh. Ayan, Mediacom. Ayan, punta kayo dito. Dito sa may Malia. Pagdating nyo ng Giordano, tapos ito, nakashow agad ang Mediacom, ha? So, yun na, guys. See you next my video. Thank you so much. Bye.